Salut, bonjour, bienvenue à leçon 1, l'alphabet français. Hello everyone, welcome to our today's video, and today's lesson number 1 is French alphabets. We are going to learn French alphabets with their pronunciations. So these pronunciations will help you to speak like a native. Yes, you heard it right, like a native. Also, watch the video till the end as we are going to discuss a lot of concepts, nuances of alphabets which we are going to cover today. So let's get started, guys. A. Open your mouth and say A. I hope you guys are repeating it with me. A. Avion, aeroplane. B. B. Repeat it, guys, okay? B. Banan, banana. C. Am I listening to you guys or no? C. Cerise, cherry. D. Dessert, desert. Elephant, elephant. F. Widen your mouth. F. Fromage, cheese. J. Guys, you heard it right. J. G is pronounced as J in French. So remember, do not get confused while pronouncing. J. Giraffe, giraffe. Okay? Let's move on to H. H. Means man. Okay? E. You have to widen your mouth to say E. Eel means island. Next,
J.
okay?
J.
Jardin, garden. Again, as I told you before, it is different pronunciation. Pronounce it
J.
okay? K. K. Kangaroo, kangaroo. L. Livre, book. M. Mouton means sheep. Now it's time for a quick recap. Pronounce all the letters we've done along with me. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. Oh my god, I'm listening to you guys. You guys did it so well. Means you guys will speak like natives after this video. Let's continue. N. Nuage, cloud. O. Round your mouth to say O. Oiseau mean bird. P. Open your mouth, guys, to say P. Pomme means potato. Q. Pronounce it like a koel. Q. Kaktiye, neighborhood. R. You will have to roll your tongue, guys, to say R. Ruth, road. S. S. Give the stress on the S. S. Suri. Mouse. Te. Te. Tas. Mean cup. U. Close your mouth. U. You seen. Factory. V. V. Voiture. Car. W. W. Yes. So W is for W, where we put two V's together. So it is pronounced as W. Weekend. Weekend. X. X. Xylophone. Xylophone. Y. 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 Z. Z. Eyes. Z. Z. Zebra. Zebra. So, let's start the pronunciation again. Once again, a recap. N. O. Guys, I hope you're repeating it with me. Yes? P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Wow, we've done all the letters of French, and I hope you are also repeating with me and speaking like a native. Again, to speak like a native, a revision of a few things. G is pronounced as J and J is pronounced as G. Also, V, when we add two times, V plus a V becomes W, that is W. So guys, a small exercise for all of you. Please spell out your name in French. For example, I'll do it for you. R, E, T, E, K, A. Ritika. In the same way, you can spell out your name and please tell us in the comment section below your names. We will be very happy to know them. Thanks for watching our today's video. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook with our handle name as Bloom Lingo. We are awaiting your responses in the comment section.